What's up, guys? It's Marge and
Jamiron.
and welcome to This Is How We Live.
Yeah.
Bah, 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 bah.
Stop.
What's up, guys? It's Marge and
Jamiron.
want to say what's up. I hope y'all enjoying your summer. I know we are. Yeah, we done been to the beach. I'm tired. So, just a disclaimer. So, this video has
The word porn in it.
it has
The word porn.
it has some adult language and content in it.
Barely.
The word
Like one little grain of sand cut up twice.
doesn't matter. So, brace yourselves, but have fun. See y'all later. Peace.
Deuces.
Deuces. Peace. So we pulled in the other day, and we see these birds on top of the brick wall. We looking, and Jamiron says, "What?"
I was like, oh my gosh, it's bird porn.
Like one of the birds was on top of the other bird. Dude, cut the light off.
I'm sorry, I gotta look better. Like
One of the birds was on top of the other bird, like pumping and sweating. Just it was like,
bro was really putting in a stroke game. He had a whole game plan going on. I don't know what was happening.
which was what? What was the game plan?
The game plan was one and done.
But wait. The tripped out part was that one flew away, and it was like 3 of them total. I was all like,
They were on some tradeaway stuff.
I was just like, yo,
It was like
it was the weirdest stuff in the world, bro.
It was like a birdie sex FaceTime call. Like how you have like 3 people calling on FaceTime. It was just like that.
My arm is hurting. Hold this dog.
Yeah, I'll hold it.
No. Anywho, we gotta go. We'll keep you posted about the birdie porn.
Birdie sex porn.
Hopefully we don't get flagged for this, but I'll put a viewer discretion advised.
Why? You don't need to. I mean, we didn't show anything.
Yeah, but this is a family show.
Doesn't mean anything.
Family show. And we're talking about porn on the family show.
And they don't have family channels on YouTube. Well, not like that, but like.
Well, maybe we'll be the first family show on YouTube.
Mom.
It can happen. Y'all should have seen these birds. His little feathers was going. And he was just pumping up and down like this.
What? You're making them dizzy.
I was dizzy watching the birds.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, wasn't it weird though? The birds weren't weird.
Those birds.
It's just weird. It was like he was doing like what? Show him what your hands. Show him what your hands. What the birds were doing. No, he wasn't. He wasn't doing that.
Never mind, Mom. You don't understand.
It was just flapping and flapping and flapping, and then he disappeared. Another one came, and I was like, "Oh, it's more than one." All right, I'm out. It's Marge.
And Jamiron.
See y'all later. Peace.